Are you dreaming of a bountiful tomato harvest this season? Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, the secret to growing luscious tomatoes can be surprisingly simple. Stick around as we explore the 5 best tomato growing tips that will transform your garden and boost your yields. Welcome back to agriculture. If you're passionate about gardening and want to grow the best tomatoes, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some invaluable tips that will help you achieve a thriving tomato harvest. Let's dive in. The first step to a successful tomato garden is selecting the right variety. With countless options available, knowing what to choose can feel overwhelming. Indeterminate versus determinate. Indeterminate varieties continue to grow tall and produce fruit throughout the season, making them perfect for those who want a continual harvest. They can grow as high as 6 feet or more and need staking or caging for support. On the other hand, determinate varieties reach a certain height, typically around 3 to 4 feet, and produce all their fruit at once. This is ideal if you want to can or preserve your tomatoes after a single harvest. Disease resistance. As you choose your varieties, look for ones that are resistant to common tomato diseases like blight and wilt. This selection can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Remember, the right variety not only fits your taste buds but also suits your growing conditions. Soil preparation. Tomatoes thrive in well-draining, nutrient-rich soil. Proper soil preparation is essential for a successful harvest. Start by testing your soil pH to ensure it's between 6.0 and 6.8. If your soil is too acidic or alkaline, you can amend it with lime or sulfur. Once your pH is balanced, enrich the soil by incorporating organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. This enhances soil structure, improves drainage, and provides essential nutrients for your plants. Mulching. After planting, apply a layer of organic mulch around your plants. This will help retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. As the mulch breaks down, it will also add nutrients back into the soil, benefiting your tomatoes even further. Proper watering techniques. Watering is crucial for tomato health, but getting it right can be tricky. Here's how to master it. Consistent moisture. Aim for deep watering once or twice a week, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This encourages strong root growth. If your plants are too wet, they can develop root rot, which is detrimental to their health. When your tomato plants reach about 30 centimeters in height, consider laying them down horizontally in the soil during transplanting. This technique encourages the plant to develop additional roots along the buried stem, leading to a more robust plant. Not only does this boost yield, but it also helps manage excessive vertical growth, making your plants bushier and healthier overall. It's a fantastic way to maximize space and support a thriving root system. Pruning for productivity. Pruning is an essential practice that can enhance your plant's health and productivity. Remove suckers. Suckers are the small shoots that grow in the leaf axils. Regularly pinching these off can direct the plant's energy toward fruit production rather than excessive foliage. This practice helps improve air circulation, reducing the risk of diseases and ensuring that your tomatoes get ample sunlight. Top the plants. For indeterminate varieties that get too tall, consider topping them. This means cutting off the top of the plant to encourage bushier growth and more fruit set. By doing this, you can control the height of your plants while promoting a denser canopy that can support more tomatoes. Pest and disease management. Pest and disease management is vital for a successful tomato harvest. Here's how to protect your crops. Natural remedies. Keep a watchful eye on your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, which prey on aphids. If you notice an infestation, use natural remedies like neem oil or insecticidal soap to treat your plants without harming beneficial insects. Crop rotation. Lastly, avoid planting tomatoes in the same spot year after year to prevent soil-borne diseases. Rotate your crops with other plants such as beans or lettuce. This practice helps maintain soil health and reduces the risk of disease buildup in the soil. By following these 5 essential tips, you can significantly enhance your tomato growing success this season. Remember to choose the right variety, prepare your soil properly, water wisely, prune effectively, and manage pests proactively. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. For more gardening tips from agriculture, I'd love to hear about your own tomato growing experiences in the comments below.